Hello, agus fáidí hiag na seansaí mas maidir seansa láú blochiad na seansaí. Smise Hugh mé le cheada agus tuigim dá rud é gnearna tú dearmid céim a hain, because is tamil fada é ó bhí má liv. Ach táimid beá a rís dar nói bhí muid imíar fáid tamil, not intentionally. Well, I think bhí Facebook dá intentional and then just déirí se níos massa agus níos massa. As in, like, bhí muid rams to chattarráis and then several medical emergencies predicated nachróid non chattarráis ach táimeidirráis agus sin rud is táhachttaí tá an seo Mars crá le ainehuiir anig go Jimmertáte.
Well, tá níos fearris. So
Thank God.
Sílam go gadú leis céile gáil mar tá nocht omlan ormsa nach nearnamid tafod le míonhús is táilm tá anna inis. Yes, bhí five gom le máláse bhí versigóm as bhí mé slabí le mí omland, so gur mai gut mátá se fós an seo. I wouldn't wait le a bhír nata mu bheit go fada sin agus níor thugmid fógur bí a gunnar bí, so tá brnarm faoi sin ach tá muidirráis.
Right, go out, Jeremy, if you should know, it's like we probably should have said it the ending it to be like, by the way, her mini hiatus the where or slanship. But listen, sometimes Jenny to Jeremy and Rud Cartliana, who's a country lad of beat Jenny Jeremy and Rud Cartliana Gominic to shop faster. Let James O'Flyer, the James Jimmer Tati.
Them is fucking aintoch. I'm absolutely fucking a wine the mucky.
More is chart.
That, you know, but Bernach said in the Lolog Taki out. Tá ma taréis Pléann mábham fé ceir sa pell agus tá Barry Keoghan agus Sabrina Carpenter hééis cruise sus. So tá cholarrod titim seach mo lábh agus le cúna débé fé chuig fiúní seár. So tá mis absolutely class.
So James Hannigan scale amach ar imagine, right? Hannigan scale amach go Barry Hugh and Sabrina Carpenter British Swiss. Keoghan is there dan to leis and DM a shawl of Sabrina Carpenter la ra, you know, mata ein ro do it. Just her scale gum, you know.
Well, ní sa bút na DM a chud go dtí a replyalty go dtí ché DM chur ma pí fád chur, you know, so
like James is blockáilte cólach margi Sabrina Carpenter.
I wish. Imagine the claim to fame of how much go block us Sabrina Carpenter at Instagram. What a fucking class.
Don't know if claim to fame is the word I would use.
You know, any publicity is any bad publicity is good publicity, like really, like so. Was a basic mo fúnar go aske éing I gomekins agus fear le roiige a bheith kinnerkins beter venní squarely, so níocht dat be mo chans macht.
Sílam gurn hin nach meach si gurí éannach a ríis in é an taihí seo nó ar leidir fa tréimh se go mééis si gurí just sus ó a rud a bí a chur in na gcuimhne de Barry í, so seans nachhfuil de chuid prospects ínta fi láthair.
Well, then Roger na Hannig Swiss in you was or Hannig Swiss a reach in you a tweet of ag CMAT ag tus na mbliana nur dircha someone needs to tell you all the national pastime of the straight Irish male is cheating. So Bedger is just inkin saku, you know. Bedger is just a dingy on. Well, actually, do you know what? New boyes ladia nil afnums or maran dingy was a gente aku. Nus tá adning mar he was a gent acu, but not an ummerke, but better, you know, Barry books so you like just
jeez, like
you know.
Cecha donús garí bheith go fumbláil tú an bag shit. You know.
Sin actually the Falklands Gaelach than mbliana actually is fumbláil. Ag
fumbláil. Ag sinna te chuí, ní an ein rudí ar a ráfuí is just fumbláil an duine is smú down fuil her. Agus jeez tá si cho dahúil like lána talún. She's done a world tour fuil her. Neart aige de stoy nach das an aige by Barry, but fucking tas so it's a brain in my van. Just fucking Google her.
Céir de híann tú an ligachta taici mar ní héagla dúnar bhí le go fuirfa sin le bhfuil céir é an malacht nó an rud nachhfuil jazz fihui, like an síl go just cos a granici, you know.
No.
Person that's luffa, no, like caibre.
Cos a bra anyways. Sin.
Oh, James, céir de does search history.
Oh, ship she cans feet, no legs. well, no, níos an fuck fi sin ach dhéam go dú just cosa as in legs agus ní rotach breanú státe
I I don't think bhfuil legat aquí. I think bhfuil an legat leis an lad an Jarnan and cheetah. Listen, that's
absolutely
hot take.
100%.
Sisters.
I'd say
okay, feminist.
Té loigeach de eice ná ní si ach chuig seo agus I'm a short king, so I'm looking for a short person ach sin just in saying look like Táimid eice méall ní bhéh an NBA baby thing na tada, so but who cares really
But geez, we shall scandal though, and we were like, "Jeta gal array." Like, you know, some say Gurfi grow not dingy og and on vertigo. Like, I just thought it was just Arna you too. You know, some say actual, like galler of two and on now.
So Sean Rod, bhí sé I teachtarm ag an oireachtas ach níor thug mé faoi deara maiheallar ghlach mé leis gur raibh mé just tursa, go raibh sé an séchistí san óstáin, go raibh mór daoine thart, beidir go raibh anxiety orm. Níor smaoinigh mé, oh wow, tá vertigo orm an seo. Agus cuimlumm ag cuintear bí an deir seach na bhí mé hiasu fa chun níos mó na dhéhhuimeate. Bhí mé garcar gúlann sugad sa Hugh nó gúlann Pléann as just yeah, okay, mental note, tá gúlann sa cún sin, just ar agla go dit me bhí mé rá is cuilim seaú ag créile bio mar trasa ag radio na gazeta agus I rálam hain, oh yeah, thuclam dit man seo, yeah, okay, cool. So bhí mé just ag arcar Pléann den dáhar clig omlan sin right tá sin aclom níach cúpla slátaí thuúlaí. So bhí sé teachtarm tamil. As an sin hána mé bháileo ciilearne agus ní raibh mé albalta seaú fa chun mísa. Dinar bhí gro sé riomharthú tá sé Tharbh debilitating mar rud. Níl mar an fiosar ní léon leis. I mean, tugann siad antihistamine dit agus anti-nausea tablet ach níl rud ar bhí le fáil réile vertigo ach am. So caiim mé sa labí more or less ní rud roiase. So tuair airad a láse kids agus nábíoh burnout agad.
Buíos le dí nachhfuil Netflix wrapped or mar rudí because it would just be like Savvy jar, like you would have just fucking like
Tá lista agam. Chuime tríd ahan Hallmark movie rubbish atá ar Netflix. I swear to God. It's just in éco blad is mé fiidir wow, tá mis go tríd like Netflix a lig so hosí mé gena listí. Tá liste just fa chunne scanan an ólag agam agus cumáil sin rinne mé ceann suirt níos generalta den na scanan eile dark mare agus just we got carried away. Sure níl rud ar bí eile go dúclam dhéanú. Ní thuclam fiú leo gan Mirlan chatarm.
Genie Max, so literally tú an na dhéanú ach a bheith covered ar absolute gramscar. Nar bhí mé ábalta den scalan bhí amana go raibh sé rogeal like an méidir an dóis meas a go bhhí mé bhí le na amarbí go nearna mé iarcóilta Johns nó boots mar tá na solse go geal so just fuck an chomra a casú agus dahéann si iirecht mo churpa casú bhacha sé dhéhhuimeteir casú háart mar fuck an bogu an glúiseach just ro happy. Cum a chué go máls bhí sé genta gom. Bhí pointháin gneim me se homestore mór le Cilíonn, mar bhí me just cóbord I was like, tá magí rain frámí cheannach go ddíglum rain picturí crochúnar sa te, agus bhíar mus féiclí gréine caiithú sa chopa, agus má lá a chur ar lá Cilíonn. So dark me cosla duine a bhí dal, agus bhí daoine a bogu háart sa dóis gur híl siad san gro me dal, like bhí siad I Jenny could kind of, sort of maneuvering in a harter. As we should just got your Ray-Bans as she's a job. Oh my God.
It cost us a 424 got hard.
just bram all the Sorry, Shin, absolutely gas. Oh my God. Like, and you're to any rock Levine, you the thing you're like, oh no, like Neil Madal, but just
Bhí me sé just Jennyar gan caiú más a chopa, so bh comlum sin an pointe grome aige it was like what lig dóibh sinna smuitiú gohfuil medal agus gannne si célí éisci do.
Fair.
Mar it's not fun. It's not fun.
But did níos fearnis sin bhfuil
Tá
tá.
mé a chatarrás go mé ghlachan sé bhfuil ghlach seo rilí sé seachtaí ar min omlan tá mé sa téú teachtain níos agus fós a chatarrás go mé ach Tású gom nach darlín sé riéis.
Fair. So fair. Bhí mar go an móhim san is like 6 stomach because I was like, yeah, bhí couple of medical emergencies ogan ar an rudse, but it's more just grow galar ionta all artsa agus bhí food poisoning ogmsa ar an lún. Like that's it. Sin rud bhain.
Tá seo táhata mar sílam gohfuil seo gur chréig do ráthú sa chas seo. Mar seo cean duna rudí is smó go rá ag hiúdó ina híl an lig. Agus tá sé cosla duna do réigú de lig an síos.
Tá actually críomhiste. Like I actually ní higlam even fiú chuirtús leis an bhrisú crí. Agus ní bhislum nar bhislum because ring mar ruding at nach neanam do gra agus and but bhí so ar Áine the other voices, right? So my was go other voices. Bhí se deadly. Agus bhí má ag dul suas le le machar le Adam Shannon as being a genú producer ar podcast le bhaim nó ancor the deadly. Agus firma chuimiid go dí Portlaoise Plaza agus dúirte the chicken tenders in Supermax just like dark rat and wine. And I was like, oh my god, unreal. Yeah, like ní rustogum either real na le fada. Like usually I'm a chicken breast sandwich girly in Tamer fad, but from like, you know what, you're on the tenders and action. From the tenders, gaunt, absolutely deadly. She's sedangin, not a bother at all. Cher shotting that sky ugum ag so hard le strantry o chimpon and cheer. Yeah, actus fi fekigum har and Jerry shotting it. Just cracker doy. Then are in loon, ag chat the rash of their voices. Stop which so Barack Obama Plaza. So Quebec of Jazz than Portlaoise Plaza. Barack Obama Plaza is on a whole other level. Lesson Conan O'Brien air pump, obviously. Agus from be like loan bug or margin, and I was like, you know what? You're my rud bug and Sean is faster. You're man the tenders are reach. Tenders are reach. Honey McKin the wine and I was like, this is get like bug, whatever, but like whatever, it's grand. From our rash, good likely, yeah. And I was just like, oh. Fan second Neil Rod carton shop like the piano wall agus the jagu small and I was like I know Gajir Jeta Shaw like shot food poisoning like there's 100% food poisoning so she's thinking about housemates they're my Captain Ghoul food poisoning arm and they were like oh well sure listen Martin with the heart then Chris Kellogg but no bother at all so it's there sick immediately like Gajira like no fucking delay there must be like I think we'll food poisoning and like literally yeah much she initiation how much she's therapy like to definitely food poisoning so then you're on call out on hear fat like literally in the handing on their wall other voices I guess you must alone but like and ugly one of the arm was like Romishon like Gloyal and lineation like earn March whatever like running at like over in the right machine or like thingy v occur cast arm for running at I was then to like oh my god sorry to like do hen o vague other voices and they'd be like oh my god the hangover or lodge like a 2-day hang wish I go fall geary chin like you go fall bocal a hanech in the AOV like vi ma versa though but Supermax mo Gregal I'd say and Pléann is triggered absolutely triggered what the hell the voucher the Supermax James feel like her what oh no
sin rudí hagann sa fós is an bosca nar bhín na coupons so good.
No, these are vouchers. So I wish for free. These are €2 off. So I use the whole booklet.
Sin the front of this snola go James.
No, so I should go Supermax all Keoghan. Agus the front is no that picture of Humsa a giche Supermax the hon. Maar taking that me to nan Hugh.
So sin an ceist. An méid tas a riú ábalta Supermax a ihe a ríis.
Gosh, my. Yeah, absolutely. Like if again, like there's actually, yeah. Just
Who's a Bliain Urmsa? Butter chicken eich ríist. Heish man food poisoning.
Oh my god.
I've no immersion actually.
I think it's a fucking stubborn version though. So.
Ní mé mé seábalta riú an rud sin ihe ríis.
No, well, imagine need the tenders. But the chicken breast sandwich meal, absolutely no.
Sure, rud céideach just
ní smó basically.
An mógaí tú rá beidir hiag na beef burgers in is just jiglat an chicken na hackened.
Badger, be a scan rule though is ashrú allwar in my heel, like Sean and rud is mo a harla do real, like the gra me sé ho nasci le supermax in ish go go wohiam go like yeah I know gur chréig should miss it, but in Gillian sin gur ga miss it's na chréig fasta agus stop a gal heig supermax in ish like was cashed and is cast an GNA so neall so gom
As
clú gom.
During tú reis go mé an chicken dolly ihe ar fe tréifse ach an mé ahan cinál batter chicken dolly ihe fu an tréif sin is ó áirbí.
Oh God. Well ar leid an cin Supermax go tá blas area ar a defriil ó echa eile blas undercooked, but tá blas just na tenders na bhíogam. But so I think it makes all right because it's bralam tasig na sé chicken and chip ar in má chicken chip garlic tip sin é ón local chipper. Better yeah sin a nacht an jingar. No, that'd be a terrible idea. Tá so ceapam go mé má all right. Ceapam, but ní bheith so gom gotí gur go bhfuil se ddíra ospachóir agus méid si in sa Supermax in Air Square. No, an cin Susan Móras airs an ghil. That's what I'll know. Mata go hom like carta áéis.
Well an ceachtatá fólam hé agann sílam na your health is your wealth, baby.
Your health is your wealth, baby. Well, listen, that lad away ain't that slanchel agus who has been absolutely grinding agus é ag gobar na an lad a bhí mar fearn don a bhuai an Connacht Club Championship in sin ag deir seachtainine James O'Flaherty winner chicken dinner. Jay, what do you call it? Jay.
Yeah. I'm sure bros all do so do not spread your germs around me, please, guys.
No, please. How much James occurs Jahan like a plastic,
I think him to kick a donut that vertical, but we share my hair like Jochen. So I understand donut session. I guess chin food poisoning. Yeah, it's no mean feat like, but yeah, it's I've been a healthy baby for the last while. Just got a mark Gimmers Pell, agus having a good time. Growth that clay. Agus now looking forward to go quit like cancer here in me anger agus la kuna day my room with that in bims Gimmers a park croquet. So 60 minutes away from Mecca is the kind of thing now. So yeah. I think it would be like a lifelong dream. Like, like, so in the meeting, so we give me to creamer come up to Gimmers on the Hyundai, so they never got that opportunity. What the man Gimmers on in a club is like 100 times more special. Like, so what's that class?
Bhí mis go ra James, I think bhfuil tá teach agam ar cén fa a bhfuil tú is tí gurí chomáileat mbliana agus náir a compars blianta eile. It's the increased amount of sauna time at the catch good is the dundrum ag sweat á láat is tí na sauna sin mis agus tusa being melted is tí cold agus sin go se cold plunge in the ocean. I think sin fa.
All I know is toss acu nar ekin shit soccer like sin ru the one like as in like toss acu go mé mis a hook then like it's first of all it's coffee shop dog.
Yes.
So they have me hooked their fucking overpriced flat whites.
Yeah.
And then the sweet treats on, so like to get a like a little caramel treats, little brownie and everything. They have me hooked there. She that cold plunge on, the sauna on, all the wellness thing. Agus nish to his root new hurtstach. Agus be hot tub new acu tá chomór leis cold plunge, so it'll be absolute dream and heaven. So má aintenu as ní sam Helios
yeah.
Sauna is géistecht just to sponsor him because they on coolly please it's time I get a scene like Richie Sadler so
sorry so random.
Yeah.
And Ken is random or Harlow Rio was this just being like sorry there's a random bald fellow in Acklam and Shaw agus is Richie Sadler at all
yeah for a good while to saw it now Yeah,
Course.
but beile feiceil. Beam sin nóla go dá suúbnach is na sána sin I fáchtachfu Bob. Iach si bhfuair Spotify rap sós.
Hánig me se
Honey.
yeah.
Honey sé thugam díach ar maidin.
It was an experience little for each. Actually, no, germ sin, but like it's go fáil mar an ggéarna. Although bhí mar súla ceapma náéis me leis an méid cearna cheol is déis me le an nuirí, but actually déis me le like níos mó like haar like bummatí whatever. But like I think better I'm like a fake music fan. I compared because my fekel the playtimes is tag dingy yella and
Yes.
like I just can't like like hannig ma dingin shot a déis le like céad míle bommute de ceol agus like you know like much courage or fad they're all on like trá míle like seaca míle like cuige míle agus the mission sin le fi cuig míle bommute ceol I'm like better
What?
Níl fiú
yeah
méid sin agamsa.
I will say Sean Shark at the Hogan's it though and this could be completely wishful thinking but I think it's the where go meme a gigs agus so níama géisteach le ceol san app it's either ceol beag na ar YouTube
IRL, baby.
na ar NHL
Nah, that's a cop-out.
I think it is. Oh, I know, but my guy
That is such a cop-out.
ar mo his hain
Because bechetas bheith géisiir le ceol ar amach go dtína gigs.
agus well actually bhí McGurker YouTube could smooth it ham
Oh, and sin os, yeah, but tá sé 5 míle.
yeah
Ní éis me seach le 7 míle 532 ach dúirí me as dúirt me seanirí cumáid ceol gailech tá muid fós sa CD ire so éistem le go leor CD sa car ní bhím ag géis le Spotify a chuirbéis car just the good LCDs.
agus Jerry má fásta ní éistem le áraní like faoi gá or faoi trí like in EA hello whatever like I'm very much a concentrated listener like that mo kin much housemates literally be me sí leis agus éiste se like ceir áran in EA heile a ríis is a ríis is a ríis like be just sí leis agus be a géis leis na áraní cearna like a ríis a ríis a ríis agus much few even though much he's there like bimjacur her YouTube le heile agus be in the videos cearna ar fad like the music videos
Oh no, I couldn't. It's a lá céine.
Yeah.
Like tu go mé ag géisi leis an áran Pedro Ursula or sa chatan whatever couple uair an ein le no ní hoglam sin dhéanamh.
No, but that's what I mean is in like and James I feel like in the position car coming to
100% exactly yeah
a race
go dtí go na focail le girls aige.
No bín sam focail a hééis listen to what tá weird memory amsa so yeah bín am focail basically is ceanháin but bí me sé géisteach le is he just go me seach like I délas nu na mixes a dhéanaan
Spotify this
so being like galore gonna king céanna stihan so like so yeah ach me géis a couple podcast níos minicí I mbliana agus audiobooks so I'd say go base go chusin she's more listening time go 50 because I think Russian is smooth I think more like 17 hour ach like you me géis le lower Johnny Sexton I mbliana agus Keoghan faoi Aaron Rodgers version so that could have brought me down a bit ach yeah béims géis le ceol non-stop like ag chola faointe agus like cheama go méidir go mo top artist níos grambara I mbliana ní anna chuig sad boy but like that was expected I mean like 15 you were actually positive girl like Sabrina Carpenter and the Gracie Abrams gonna watch that be like flat out especially Gracie Abrams I think we were fucking absolutely flat out
ná hin stúing go bhil cé tá an caiimid seo hóis an dhéanaine mu speedround as raimid tríd seo le céile agus a duna túair freigra maidir le cén ceistugin ok so higlinn tosú ar an lá is mó éisteachta a bhí agah agus cé bhéad nóméid a bhí sa lá sin.
Oh God, come on.
So an ceannas mó bhíogamsa na an fétrí lá dohharrta nílas gom go déhíar siúil go an lá sin dééis mé le 557 bommate de Spotify.
Jesus wait cehé bommate?
557 bommate.
What the hell?
I don't know go JV ar siúlagam.
Yeah, some say David Shilgum. Tá cen agam sa agus níor hiigma cin fa a bhí se choirtin agus ar an leisin go specificúil ach te go muis cén fa. So an le táón is an níl le déag dá mí lúnasa. Sin an top le bhí agam, and it was like
Sin electric picnic na
It's
bhí?
in le in a yay electric picnic. So it's
The depression the follows.
it's like Fuegal Strad Valley le dul bháile. Sin le is mó é se bhí deanta gom. Because you donning my and I was like, that's so random. Like Neil J the me Lunasa, like Kane J me or Shuli and Amshin.
Just an post EP na blues
Literally
te ceol ag neolart. James Civid ur le go dééis sa leis cé in lá smó éisteach a bhíogad.
Come on. Yeah,
Sin an dara tab.
An dar tab. Okay, fan deachting is.
You're a pro.
Yeah, tá sé máil na bhfuil an graphic.
Oh,
like,
mall.
oh,
Oh my
mall. You're like,
God.
get to the point.
Like please. Oh my god. And the jump scare then on the Aran leave car, you're like, oh my god, is that gonna be my number one?
So,
like, so that'd be my number one.
Ein lá go June. So
Yeah. Phil in the galley.
Phil in the galley.
Ro an speaker siúla go beidir.
I don't know. Better. But sin an lá de go Phil in the galley. So bin near vi ni ma tatuala.
And you know what? And you know what, Jake, the June is earn March.
Was it?
Yeah.
Mbliana?
Yeah.
Sin post féin na galí
Post
ag ru
Phil
tú
na Galley,
arás
really.
ag an obair agus just a gurí
okay.
tú na hasú, yeah.
Chuiche trí dó nu mad.
Okay, so bhí
Yeah, so
Poor
ní
Gador.
ma cínta céirú me géise le, but yeah, ní cad bhí special fi lásin, but yeah. Sin an lá smú anyways.
céir é an tóran ismó den bblion a bhí agah. An ceanna tógam san na fine air kneecap, which I think ha mé annoyed gur rawa có obvious atá an.
Yeah.
Do you know? Obviously, Sás the good sheets top 5 was go mé taculo, but just near heel maker sin mo and
No.
never héin a bhíogam.
No, it's bitch bonus who. It's all right.
Hugh, talking about hiatus is definitely going to be like a friggin' heavy metal shitekins.
I'll have you know that the heavy metal one was actually number 3, which was the end of Heartache by Killswitch Engage. But like Ibrahim, it was actually cover of Ijanta Ig McCall Cahar.
Yes.
Hold the Moon. La Megan Criú. So, because it was Mascan da of a Deadly, because there's that class, and then we just go much Hermay or a sleep playlist. So then we should just or on repeat. Funer nach Roma Moscocha. It was in Rud Canada every cars every quig. Yeah, song Bonnie Ver. More Vero Shitson or in sleep playlist Cominic. And then every doll was like a cool little rock song. Because it's cool little rock chick May.
Little rocker.
Yeah. Good luck, La Ruben. Kerfitz James.
Shabuzi.
Of course.
Noah Cyrus la My Fault.
Oh. Can we go to a bar song?
No. I don't. It's an origin grad, but it's not why. Like Bardam one, Concha August. Good news. Can't take Shabuzi. They're kind of slow, chill country music. Sure, man. That's this August again. Like Doe Bones with Russell Dickerson. It's a bit of a love song. Check his ass.
Classic.
Dermot's always in there.
Class.
Kennedy's 3. Blake Prohl, a Cahead. He is a country music artist. He gives an NFL if a couple Pléann.
What?
Yeah, I was at American Idol. So
oh my god.
So he's swiveled his way in there, the former Minnesota Viking player. Goes a chin egg if it a Jamie Gray. So that's another sad boy.
Sim na igen James and Conchap the speed rounds to sin an illa sunra.
Fresh in the sunray, hoy.
No, they would ever hain and dinner.
Lake you, hoy gora.
Why am I sure I'm getting quicker?
Well, vi sé into tapping for you.
I've had, listen, plenty of people have said that about me.
It's waiting for it.
Yeah. the quick top 5 artists of yoga, nah, and it's like for $1 name a woman. But I give her a quick,
yeah.
if her a quick, and I will say this is Marielle Earn Sleep playlist. John Mayer. If her Cahar is Fishmans, which is Banachal is Japan that a bhí Magéis listener to my cover. If her 3 is Hot Mulligan emo band Hotelier. If her the emo band if her Heen Fall Out Boy, the king of the emos. So it's only a matter of time.
So tá molas sa inta masci. As is fulam seo rá. Well, no ní fulam seo rá, but arís níor hill me go seo over hain. Gleecast is my number one artist than bhín.
Christ.
Agus tá gom go dé hagan seoí. Nar bhím seo sa car le Pléann. I timanch go bailile lia or timanch go dtíanaachtas nó go féil na galí. Kernwood and Gleecast.
Sorry, throwing Pléann faoin bus.
Yeah.
That is scandalous.
Okay, iver though, Harry Styles. I swear near Heelmaker few Aishmael Asham Lena. Sean, iver tree Noel Hill.
Yeah.
We love the mix. We love the mix.
The on brand so far is on brand.
Iver Cahar at the racket, Kjol Bana Kjol Gaelach Ella, agus iver Kuig kneecap. Agus a rish, just ní credum fwy Gleecast Gershon ever hain. I swear will Spotify get you break it.
I don't know. No, I don't know, man.
Well, it shouldn't true because you can't go picture this of Hamsa give it here.
Oh, that's such a wadney smassin on Gleecast.
But picture this more the ever hain.
Neil really.
What does that mean?
Gleecast is still Glee. So I don't bother enough, but I didn't think about it over here. Lad, probably on Kilter Shardom as they give it a do. His name is Gavin. Just GAVN exclamation mark.
I thought you were just bestie slash. I was like,
no,
you know, Gavin.
That's what we call each other. You know, he calls me Javin. I call him Gavin. 3 Jamie Gray, Car Nathan Evans as Kuig Russell Dickerson. Which, I think I really didn't think what picture this was though, but sure though.
Nah, miss it.
Kid in the pod cruel TV agi.
An count an Kuig Kane ogum a bhí ogum ahan bblion ní athrin an réo dúsa. Is can be a leg of vino too. So if we're hey na table manners, if we're do dish, tá sé go Jackar na genres, I'm sure seo. Bhí an grandmam agam ag iver trí, bhí flop culture agam ag iver cahar.
Go on, flop culture.
Agus bhí how to gael agam ag iver.
Go on the girls. Go on the gals. Hanning me the Eagle Voices and shit. Brillas on the belated to Shiva.
Supporting the competition.
Supporting the troops, supporting the allies and the Gael.
Supporting the Gael.
Yeah, absolutely.
Shit.
Mission Mark Gear the Nation Lamar podcasts, as in like ever Quig is podcast of the Misha Erg Stage Malash Urwan. Ever Kahar Panic World can free tech. Ever tree the rest is football. Can free football there now. Hamish Nandy, Birch Comedians as Australia, and then Everheen is no encore. And Pod Criú Kill at Ken much Carja.
Banner Kuig at James and especially like free like
grind set.
Help self-help.
Well, the funny thing is
macros and you.
Need Tihi. So
you're sort of like 3 Pod Criú full stop or
I think so, yeah, because you hooked them off Tihi.
Mad.
So basically just no, it's age but definitely smooth Pod Criú. You hooked them off Tihi. Basically been off nach race me op ach go bod an Tihi it's me op multiple
Everheen Seansálaithe ever.
No, so you know it's very on brand. Everheen first things first. Clore Sports.
Oh yes.
Sports Medical. If the Pat McAfee show. It is NFL. August if it's the high performance podcast.
Shock. Absolute shock.
Sports August. For just how to be a better athlete or business person or just better self. August I can't really on Dan Carter, but yeah, that's kind of it. Yeah, surprised I like them audiobooks on that.
Roin genres granara a hánaí níos tíobse, and like
Oh,
ruirtí
yeah.
imi man for rinne tú seo imi, yeah. Roin
Yeah,
cin kind of
go for them now.
Sorry,
Okay.
the shit's fucking tapped. It was like you were in your sweater, winter indie sleaze, fucking like what are you on about? Like like New Year's. We can I can in you, and it was like need do Sevilla, but first thing it was like you were in your vampire American football era, and it's like what like think kill the shin. Like what is that actually?
Tá sé really like is nós go de lorcas le daoine tá 80.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Like an céad ceanna formisiona Pink Pilates Princess Strut phase. What like
May was your sweater weather acoustic pop indie folk phase. Agus an sin June was your oh fucking hell. It's like your strappy like not even your indie sleaze strut pop.
Bílam an cean is fearlumm. Ní higo mé, but is bralum mé seo. August was your cottagecore concertina traditional Irish season.
What are you on about? Do the
I'm just a cottagecore concertina girl.
July Homsa was my pirate, mandolin, traditional Irish. So your archers were Yea Vagabonds, the Vikings, agus Blá na Hóige.
Yeah, HM la Blan the Huygen, I definitely think pirates. Yeah, 100%.
Just granuel chat imagine.
August was my Molgoth rock out emo.
That's on brand.
That's just Mission Camouflage. That's what I mean, like.
Ach sin foreign margift the Spotify Jenny Eric na shares I'll task Gunuri Dini. Oh my god, the show go crackle to like Jade that she the kind feel show and then change it larger scale to Instagram. So actually it's genius.
Yeah, until October that was a Wanderlust salon music folk pop. You know, like that's very on brand because I love full haircuts. I guess wanderlusting around the place,
You're
wanderlusting.
Well, you definitely be wandering, and then you definitely be. I'm not any man.
Lustful. It's in October. I don't think I'm a fucking lustful in October.
Because what the lustful in it?
Who knows?
Oh, worker lamb. Oh, we probably.
Don't get me started for scrunchy, you dog must have remember by accident.
Oh, stop! I think listen, that's scaled the pod, Ella. But I think
come back next week.
Come back next week. Listen, I think I was great. Minimize the vacation in the Shanty Reach. A reach Brunarng Fui and Brishu, but I hope you can understand things. We had a bedridden member that Nirosha really fortunate doing la party and with a troop down. So some goes all right. And you book you. Jesus, are we bonding? God love her. She's only wait. Teshi Rash. But the guy with Amsterdam and the man hosted them with your Shanty or Instagram, Shanty Twitter, or Shanty or YouTube. But the guy are good any galt app Spotify and that's why to the Wrapped not or YouTube. Mas the guy Áine Amsterdam man hosted that's more anywhere Instagram, anywhere or Twitter, anywhere or TikTok. Just don't ask her to turn around too quickly. She know the one. Just Mas the guy James Amsterdam man hosted more Flahertalk or Instagram, Flahertalk or Twitter, or Flahertalk or TikTok. As my the guy Mahane Amsterdam hosted more Hugh Carrier Instagram, Hugh Carrier Twitter, or just gra Hugh Car or TikTok. Came punch it an African much a gra or Twitter, Gigi or Blue Sky. Like when do we make the transition?
What?
You know Blue Sky?
Me no with Ditchy sturdy.
Yeah, that's a later on problem.
Okay.
Right, Sinead and Agran Chowdan, Shanslia, Biggie, Rashling, and Chatham Hogging. Hopefully there'll be no more medical emergencies today. Shin, but Biggie, Rashling, and Chatham Hogging, La Agran the Shanslia, Akadishan, Biggie Salt, Ascentary Shafting. Salon.